Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials so you can act quickly. Open the kit and scan supplies for sterility and expirations. Once done, wash your hands thoroughly and put on gloves to prevent infection. Make sure the injured area is accessible and well lit so you can work efficiently. Lay out the tools in the order you will use them: scissors, antiseptic, dressing, because having a clear sequence reduces mistakes and saves time when a wound needs immediate care. You now assess the situation. Check bleeding, consciousness, and breathing so you know whether to call emergency services. If bleeding is heavy, apply direct pressure and elevate the limb. Use a tourniquet only as a last resort and document the time applied. Once bleeding is controlled, gently clean the wound with antiseptic to reduce infection risk, trim hair if it interferes, and select a dressing that matches wound size. Make sure dressings are secure, but not constrictive to maintain circulation. You finish by securing the dressing and documenting what you did and when, because accurate notes guide follow-up care. Once complete, dispose of sharps and contaminated items in proper containers to protect others. Wash your hands again. Make sure the patient understands warning signs like redness, increasing pain, fever, or swelling, and when to seek medical care. If circulation is impaired or infection appears, return to professional care immediately. This single troubleshooting step prevents complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.